looks a lot more better than it did. So I went ahead and took the old alternator off, and boy, it was a mess up in there. It was a huge mess. But like more than a few years worth. I think this was the the original alternator I took off. I just went ahead and threw it off to the side over here. Don't care. Don't need it anymore, but you guys can see here it's all burnt up, all used up. If anything, man, it might be original. I don't know, not sure, but it's definitely old for sure. Don't work at all. Voltage regulator is probably burnt up. So what I'm doing to it today is just making sure I'm able to get some new parts on, as I'm still waiting on the mail to come with the extra new parts I need. But I definitely making progress. Definitely for sure making progress, man. I'm thinking about going ahead and put the alternator on. I done cleaned up this area. Looks way much better than it did, man. It was all oily. Bunch of power steering fluid and stuff stuck up in there. Like, this stuff was nasty. Look at that. This was all in this area here. I went ahead and scraped it up with this little I guess bottle opener. Can't find no scraper, so I used that instead. Worked out pretty good. So what I want to do now is get some engine degreaser and spray this thing down and thoroughly clean it. I got the metal thermostat housing on the way, and I'm thinking about going ahead just mounting the power steering reservoir, just to go ahead and get a little head start on this thing. Like I mentioned in my last video, man, I'm thinking about just doing away with the fan, the original fan that goes on this pulley here, and I'm gonna probably replace it with the electric fan instead. And if I do that, I might get a little bit more horsepower out of it. I would definitely feel a little bit of something, you know, because it's less weight that the engine have to deal with on that pulley. So I'm gonna try that. I'm not sure, but if not, I'm gonna just go ahead and put the fan back on there. It really doesn't matter. So, you know what I mean? I really do like the clutch fan setup anyway, so it don't matter. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do with some new fuel injectors. The old ones are coming out, so got that coming. Under $100, man. That's surprisingly crazy, man. I thought the injectors were going to be like $200, but surprisingly, it's not. For all 6 of them. Now this is a newer alternator. I'm thinking it might not fit because it has a cooler on it to keep the voltage regulator cool. And I think it might be a little bit higher in amps when it comes to powering this thing. Oh yeah, really thinking about going ahead and installing this thing today, man, just to get it out the way. Just to get it out the way, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm feeling good today, so why not? And the fact that I got my intake manifold gaskets coming in the mail today, I might go ahead and get that prepped and ready to go back on as well, but I'm not going to put it on today. Just get it ready. The fact that I'm still waiting on a replacement knock sensor. Yeah, I'm replacing the knock sensor that goes in here as well. But I think the camshaft sensor should be good because it was starting up just fine. But yeah, as soon as I get the new knock sensor installed in there, then I'm gonna go ahead and put the intake manifold on and get this thing ready to be restarted. Looking good already, man. Oh yeah. So got the new alternator going on. As of right now, I don't have no problems. I thought it wasn't gonna fit for real because it has a pretty much this box on here for to cool the voltage regulator, I guess. And I thought it wasn't gonna fit because of the small space over here on the side. Plus the original alternator that I took off did not have that box, so I just wasn't for sure. You guys can see here, ain't really got nothing like that on this one. So what I don't know is what I don't know, but now I know that it's okay. So I go ahead, tighten this up and get it wired up, and that's it. I'm gonna hop back on eBay and change this pulley right here, just because I don't think there's nothing wrong with it, but you know what I mean, just because in my mind, I think I should just stay ahead of this thing breaking down in the future, and I don't feel like dealing with it and taking everything back off. So I'm gonna go ahead and order another pulley. I think this is like an idler pulley right here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and replace that too. Go ahead and put it on my watch list on eBay. This thing is really starting to come together, man. I'm really starting to feel excited for it, man, and can't wait to take it for my first test run. Can't wait. 2004 E46 BMW. Let's go. Maybe I should use the extension. Yeah. Ah, that's better. Is it going all right? Yeah, it is. know if that thing's free spinning. It's actually free spinning. It's a long boat. Here we go. Alternator's on. Oh yeah. Working on my own E46, y'all. Something a little slight, nothing major yet. This right here is nothing but general work, if you ask me. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take the old spark plugs and coil packs out and replace it with some iraniums. You guys can put down in the comments, what do you think about iranium spark plugs and coil packs? Are they good? Are they worth it? What's your experience with them? And you know what I mean? Stay tuned, man, for the next video follow-up on what I'm going to get done next to this thing and what's more in the process. Still got some work to do, man, but it's not really much more to go. So, but it is more than a week left, so I'll be done before summertime, hopefully. I'm gonna go ahead and get another cabin filter too. This is all used up. Zoe, be quiet now. It's all right. Go ahead and put this thing back on, man. Probably should have done this first. See it right there. Click, push. Push, click. See, I think this goes on the bottom like that. Then on this end right here, we'll go back to the expansion tank. So now I should be able to get to this this power steering hose right here with the alternator and this hose I just put back on still attached. I should still be able to get to this bolt down here. Take this hose off and off with the old and on with the new one. Go ahead and get that ready. So, yeah, I probably should have taken this off first, but I can still get to it. I can see the bolt. It's all good, man. So this hose right here had to be cut because it didn't want to come off, but I found the replacement and it's only one left for like $38. No more than $38, so I'm gonna go ahead and get another one ASAP, like as soon as possible. And then I still need to get another power steering oil cooler hose or pipe, whatever you would call it. Where is that thing? Yeah, this right here. Still have to get one of these. It is tool the, you know what I mean, up. But you guys can see right here, slowly for surely, man, I'm making progress, man. And I'm happy for that, man. With that being said, I'm about to celebrate, man. Taking a little break and get right back at it. Probably go to the parts store and pick up some degreaser. You know what I mean? Start cleaning the sidewalls in the hood bay area. This is pretty much all I'm gonna do today is just get the alternator pretty much installed and out the way. Clear that back seat up. I still got some tubes and hoses, whatever they are, some pipes and stuff I got to install with the intake manifold. I can go ahead and pour that out now. Can't wait to clean this thing out, man. You guys know for a brand new radiator, it's only 50 bucks right now for a brand new one. And this is still usable, man. It's really not that old, but it's used up for real. You know what I mean? But if I'm gonna have new hoses and new inlets, I'm gonna just go ahead and get a new radiator and a new condenser. It's taking me some time, man, but day by day, man, this thing it's getting done. It's getting done, man. Brand new throttle body, brand new cold air intake. I'm gonna do away with the original filter box that came with the car. That thing is small, man. Like it's choking it out to me, man, how small it is. You guys know what I mean, man. The original air filter box that comes on this car is too small for real, man. It ain't gonna really hold up no performance with that, or put out any performance. is this. That's the throttle body and stuff. I'm gonna pull this out because the intake manifold gasket is on the way. So definitely get this prepped and ready. For a brand new intake manifold, it's going to be about $300 and $400. I don't have $300 and $400 right now, so since this one is not cracked or damaged, I'm gonna just have it cleaned out and reuse it. It's gonna be good as new used. I can't install the expansion tape until I get the expansion tape mount bracket. Showed you guys yesterday in the last video that this thing is destroyed, man. Check that out. No good, man. Gone. Broken. Everything is used up, and this is going to be the old power steering reservoir. This is all used up too and no good. Had to be cut off as well. But I do have the new one, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and install that now just to get it out the way. Like, I'm trying to get a head start on this thing, man. I'm not trying to waste no more time. By the time everything else get here, be almost done. Nice little head start. I'm not gonna hook the hoses or anything up, but I'm gonna go ahead and at least mount the reservoir itself. Brand new here, aftermarket. I actually like the other one better. It is what it is. Hold on, man. This don't even have, you know what I mean? Can't even mount this. How am I supposed to mount it? It mounts here, but I can't mount this if it ain't got nothing to mount it to. Hold on. Found out what it was. I did not have the bracket that I need to mount it. Here it is. Took it off the old one. Gotta put it on a new one. Got the new hose on. Just gonna tighten it down, put some clamps on it later. Oh yeah. So I got the brand new power steering reservoir, new hose, new alternator, new expansion tank, to water inlet hose. Waiting on a brand new alternator with a brand new condenser and a brand new power steering oil cooler. All going to be installed slowly for surely. With that being said, stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be a follow-up video on this E46. You guys go ahead and smash that like button if you like this video right here, and if it entertains you, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and you will be notified to your devices when I upload another video. I appreciate you guys for watching. This is your boy right here, Open Mind Entertainment. Man, I hope my videos entertain y'all, man. I'm learning as I go. This is my first pretty much E46 that I'm really into, so yeah, man. Learning as I go, man. Learning as I go. You know what I mean? That means I don't know anything, man, until I put my hands on it and get to work. You know what I mean? So if I could do it, y'all can do it, man. No need to go to the shop. You are the shop. I see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.